Put in a medium skillet on the stove. It says to heat the skillet over medium high and add rice with 1 tablespoon of water. Okay. We're gonna add the rice. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of water. Break that up. Put that over medium for 2 minutes, it says. Oh. I'm going to serve it in these 2 bowls right here. Split that in half. 1/2 in this bowl. And the other half in this bowl. Here. I'm going to use this herb oil, olive oil. One tablespoon in there. This is what the tofu looks like. I'm going to cut that open. If you don't like tofu, you can always use another protein of your choice. That's what the tofu is looking like. And then I'm going to plate it. I'm going to take half and I'm going to put it in this one. And then the other half, I'm going to put it in this one. That's what it's looking like so far. I'm going to come back over here. It says add another tablespoon of oil and do a regular olive oil. I'm going to do a little less because there's plenty of oil still left in there. And I'm going to want to burn my olive oil a little. Burn my Brussels sprouts a little bit. That's how I like it charred. So then I'm going to put the Brussels sprouts in the same pot. Let it coat with the olive oil. And because I like seasoning, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic to it. Garlic and fresh black pepper. Just coating the Brussels sprouts. And then I'm going to let it cook on there for a few minutes. I'm gonna add a little onion powder, a little garlic powder, and a little fresh black pepper. A little mix. Let it cook down. I'm going to do it a little differently. I don't love Brussels sprouts, so I want to add, I don't love Brussels sprouts, so I'm going to add the ginger, sesame ginger on this to kind of give it a little flavor. I'm putting that on there directly. This is how it's looking. I love it with a little bit of crisp to it. So that's why I let it brown a little more to my liking. Looks delicious. But again, I'm not a big Brussels sprouts fan, but I have to make it in such a way that it's more palatable to me. So I added the ginger sesame dressing onto it so that it can cook into the Brussels sprouts, giving it more flavor. Okay. I got it here. I'm going to mix it around a little bit. Put half of it in this bowl here. And the other half in this bowl for the 2 servings. And this is how it's looking. Now just to top it off, I'm going to add some more, sprinkle a little more of this sesame ginger dressing on top. Just sprinkle that on top there. And this is how it looks. Let's taste it. Just a small piece. A little bit of everything. It's good. I like my food like piping hot, and the fact that I have to cook each of them individually, and the Brussels sprouts, which I like the least, is hot. I'm gonna mix it all together so that hopefully it can warm up the rest of it a little more. I'm gonna give it a 7. I think I'm gonna add a little more. But again, maybe if I ate the tofu hot, it would taste better because it's a little harder now. But the flavors are good. If you go for flavor, I'll give it about 7.5. Yeah.